Hi guys, so I just got back from my project supervisions and I realized that both my TP1 and my TP2 got hit using the MBK method, right? So I don't know, probably some of you guys who have subscribed to this channel and you've seen this method earlier. I posted this method about 2 days ago, right? I've been using this method for like 2 years now, and most of you guys who have watched the video of how I explained the method, you realize that yesterday too was kind of a good trade. This was yesterday's trade. Let me see if I can bring it out. This was yesterday's trade. I closed it somewhere around here. There was a pullback to this level, so I had to close the trade, right? So this was yesterday's trade, but most of you guys could have entered from here down to this level, then close either at this level or when you just see a change of character, right? But I later on entered around this level, right? So today too was no different. Today was just a simple trade. Now we can see that it's reversing back to our setup here, right? Simple as that. So that's just how it is. When you don't know technical analysis, this is just the best technique for you. You have to use this when you don't know technical analysis. Now I've been quite busy recently. I just got back just about 30 minutes ago. I just wanted to do this, then I'll be leaving again because I have a lot of projects to do. So I don't think I'll be entering into any trades. I even entered into only two. I usually enter three, then TP1 will be taking, TP2 will be taking, then I'll leave the other TP for what? To see where it goes. But I don't know. Probably this week I might not be into a lot of trades. Probably maybe just one or two, but it's good. Now, most of you guys who know about the technique, you see that's all the strategy you could have entered around here too. Then we'll see where it's moving to. There's a fair value gap here. Price could move to that level, then later on bounce right. This fair value gap right here. So it's going to be a very good location for price to move into, right? So you guys, you have to learn about it very well. There are a lot of strategies. I brought up this strategy because I was very stressed at what learning how to do technical analysis. So that's why I brought up this strategy, and it works every day, every single day. This is not a strategy that you have to stress yourself. No, just those of you who don't know about it, just go and watch the video. You get a clear idea about how the strategy works. So this is pulling back to either here or it's pulling back to our setup here, right? This is yesterday's setup. This is yesterday's setup. In the video, I asked you to leave this yesterday's setup, right? So you can leave it. Sometimes it acts as support and resistance. So tomorrow then we make another setup, then see what happens. But for the meantime, you guys should be careful, then take the trades and make sure you respect what I said inside the video. Try your best and respect it because it's very good. Around this point, just look at how this place was, right? This is our change of character. You could have gotten out immediately, right? Then secure your profits. But for the meantime, TP1 would have been hit, TP2 would have been hit. Then you get out on a change of character. It's just a very simple technique. I don't see how you can't understand this. So use this. If you don't waste your time on technical analysis. I right now I can do technical analysis 100% and to work for me. But if you are a beginner, or if you are somebody who don't have time, please just use this method, right? Just use this method and to work for you. Now this is actually just coming to here or to our setup, right? When it crosses our setup, we sell again, right? Simple as that. So I'll see you guys in the next video.